In the new CLS, we remove the driver's airbag module. First, disconnect the battery in the engine compartments. With a few simple steps, this is done. Now go to the driver's side. Use an appropriate tool for the following steps. Press out the springs inside the airbag on both sides. The springs in the airbag then release the airbag. Here once again for clarification when removed. Disconnect the plug connector in the steering wheel. Note the safety instructions in this and set the airbag with the outlet side facing up.